It's a day you may remember. On this day in 1998, your community might have been underwater as Kansas saw drenching rain.
I remember it clearly.
Yeah.
This morning, meteorologist Halen Wilhite joins us with a look back at that day. Halen.
Yeah, on the eve of October 30th, what began as scattered showers and thunderstorms across south central Kansas, they didn't stop and they just continued all the way through Halloween as far as into November 1st, or at least the morning of November 1st. And again, dumping buckets of rainfall across south central Kansas, leading into some record flooding across many creeks and rivers in south central Kansas. Even here in Wichita, most of the area saw well over 6 inches of rainfall. Some of you more than 12 inches of rainfall. Incredible amounts of rain from the system. Again, back in 1998, you can see most of Wichita under that had all that heaviest rainfall there, including areas of Emporia up to 6, possibly up to 12 inches of rainfall. And again, record flooding reported at several different rivers. The Cottonwood River between Florence and Peabody had some flooding there, but especially areas near south central Kansas of Cowskin Creek, West Wichita saw a little bit of that flooding, but also to Whitewater River near Augusta had that record flooding, and additionally to the south, Walnut River and into Ark River also saw that record flooding, which led to Ark City also dealing with a little more of that record flooding in the area. Again, 6 to 12 inches of rainfall in a short amount of time. A lot of that rainfall led to a lot of those levees either overtopping or failing completely at those rivers, which led to, again, the incredible flooding, but also to over 5,000 evacuations across Augusta and even into parts of Ark City. And that led to $37.8 million of damage reported across 12 different counties across south central Kansas. And luckily this time around for Halloween, we're going to be dry and cool, but we are going to be tracking rain chances increasing over the next few days, but a long span, not so much of a short span. Jake will have a close look at that forecast coming up in just a few minutes.